The School of Education and Lifelong Learning has an awful lot of interesting and exciting things to offer students at Aberystwyth. If you're looking to study any element of education or childhood studies, then this is the place to be. It is a fairly small department, but being small is one of the strengths of the department. We try and develop close cooperation between staff and students. It is a supportive department, and this is something that we've really worked on over the years to ensure that we provide that support for all our students. What we want for our students in the department is to make sure that they get the best out of their degree scheme. And if you come here, we want you to get the very best out of that. We want you to achieve your potential whilst you're here. We've won the Department of the Year award this year, according to the Student-Led Teaching Awards. This is the second time we've won this in 4 years, and this shows that our students believe in what we do, they are happy with what we do, and they want to tell everyone else that we are doing this successfully. In addition, the National Student Survey results this year show that our graduating students, 95% of them are overall satisfied with the work that we do. That's come out very clearly, and that's fantastic. Another element that we want for our students is that after you've graduated, you are actually employable and that you get a job and get a good job. And the statistics again this year show that this has been successful. We've done an awful lot of work in developing seminar series and providing specific support in terms of employability, and this has resulted in 95% of our graduating students being in work or further study. What's really exciting this year is that we're establishing the Education and International Development course. Now, this is a unique single honours degree scheme. You can only do it at Aberystwyth University. You can only do it in the Department of Education and Lifelong Learning, and it looks at international development specifically from the perspective of education. So if you come to Aberystwyth, if you come to the School of Education and Lifelong Learning, then we will provide you with that support. We will provide you with that cooperation with the staff to ensure that you get the best out of your time in university, that you achieve your potential, and that you're fully prepared for employment at the end of the day.